Hello everybody, this is Henan Fitake Food, and today we will show you one of our featured products, the garlic powder. The garlic powder, as you can see, is fineness. It's very fine. The mesh can be 8 to 100. The two specification is both available, and the color is very bright, no any impurity, and the shelf life can reach 24 months. Its processing is through dehydration, crushing, and selection. The microbiological testing is qualified. No any pesticide residues, no food additives, and no preservative. It's very healthy and safe. Purity 100%.